Hey guys, it is Apple SDK Dev. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to import a WebView into your very own application. Before we get started, I just want to show you a couple of things. First, it is January 6th, and as promised, Apple did release the Mac App Store. So all you got to do is have 10.6 version, like that Snow Leopard for your Mac, and you basically just go to your software update and you can install it for yourself. It's pretty cool. It's a little bit slow right now, but it's just the first time, so cut them some slack. Second, once again, I don't think I've told you guys about this. I made one of my own apps. I call it Pathetic Quiz, something like Moron Test, Impossible Quiz. It's kind of like a mixture of all those. I made my own questions. I actually submitted that to the App Store, and it actually got accepted. So it's very cool. This is actually my first app in the store. Maybe kind of be hard to believe, but here it is. You guys should all go check it out. Some screenshots. It's called the Pathetic Quiz. There's my icon. See right here? My website, www.applesdkdev.com. Check out my YouTube, all my support. Apple SDK Dev Development Team. Yep, it's pretty exciting. Got all your screenshots. You guys should really check it out. See if you like it. Give me some ratings, maybe a comment or two. That would be really helpful, and I'm just really pumped that I got my app in there. Alright, now let's go ahead and get started. Go ahead and open up your Xcode. And once you're here, we can open up a new Xcode project. And you guys can call it whatever you want. You're going to open up a view-based application. It can be universal if you want it to work on iPad and iPhone. I'm just going to do iPhone because it's pretty simple. The same code works for both of them, so it'll be alright. Go ahead and click Enter. And you can really name it whatever you want. If you have an idea in mind, then that's perfect. I'm just going to go ahead and name it Test WebView. Just for strict purposes, it doesn't really matter. Alright, once you get here, go ahead and open up that window. Let's get all of our classes, other sources, resources, frameworks, doesn't really matter. Now, just the first thing we're going to do before anything, go ahead and open up your main view. And they should be giving you a window right here. And that's what you're going to need. Now, go ahead and get your library open. And what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and get our WebView and drag it full on into this. Now, once you got that, save it. And last thing, go ahead and go to Files Owner, hold down Control, and drag it to the WebView. And then you're going to go ahead and click Delegate. So when you've done that, go ahead and save it again and close that. Now we have to go into the files and start doing a little bit of code. Not too much. It's a pretty starter similar app. Okay. Once you get here, you're going to go to the View App Delegate.h. And here, we're going to go right next to UI Window, because that's the name. Go ahead and click Enter. And right there, we're going to type in IB Outlet. Whoops. You can type in IB Outlet UI WebView. Then you're going to go ahead and put in a star. And now you can title it whatever you want. Most people would say WebView. That's what I'm going to call it, because that's going to be the actual name for it. So you can go ahead and save that, close it. Now we're going to go into the appdelegate.m folder. And right here, you got it all open. We're not going to really be changing anything, just adding a couple lines of code. So you're going to go ahead and see where it says application did finish launching with options. You can go to the end and click Enter. And once you've done that, go ahead and type in NSURL, URL, space, star URL, space, equals, space. Then you're going to click a bracket, NSURL, then URL with string. Then you're going to do a colon, at quotations. Now you're going to type in whatever link you want it to go to. You have to make sure you put an http:// before it. I'm going to go ahead and do it to my app, of course. Well, actually, yeah, I'll do it to my website, www.applesdkdev.com. End quote. Now, basically, I don't even think I've even told you guys that I actually have my own website now. So yeah, go ahead and go to that link. I'll also put it in the description below, but I don't even know if I told you that. Yeah, it's pretty exciting. I got my own thing now. And then we're going to go ahead and close the bracket and end with a semicolon. Click Enter again, and now you're going to type in NSURL space, no space, request star request space equals bracket NSURL request with URL, and then you're just going to type in, well, it's going to give you the semicolon right there, and then just go URL. Then close the bracket, and end it once again. One more, guys. Then click enter again. Get us another bracket that says WebView, because that's what we named it from before. WebView load request :request. And then you're basically done. You're going to go ahead and close that bracket and end it. Go ahead and save that document, close it. Now we're going to go ahead and go back into the main window, .xib. Once you get here, you're going to go ahead and click on the test web, or well, that will be whatever you named it. Click on that, hold down Control, and drag it to the UI WebView. And there, that's what we named it. So there should be the WebView right there. Go ahead and click that and save it. That was really simple, guys. If you followed all those instructions, go ahead and watch the video as many times until you actually get it, and you'll be all set. Once you have that, I'm just going to make it so I'm opening on the iPhone simulator. That's good. Go ahead and save it one last time. Once you've closed that, you can go ahead and build and run. I guess you guys can customize it however you want. I'm sure you guys can figure out your own tips and stuff. But once you've done that, go ahead and build and run, and it should work completely smoothly. That's about it. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please rate, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Hit me up with some feedback. I love that stuff. Check out my website, www.applesdkdev.com. Check out my new app in the App Store. That's about it. Thanks, guys.